Hey everyone, welcome back to Just Being Angela. Today we're diving into the world of eyebrows, those little arches that can completely transform your look. Did you know that your eyebrows can say a lot about your personality? From bold and dramatic to soft and natural. The way you shape them can enhance your features and elevate your makeup game. So now let's explore 4 fabulous ways that you can do your eyebrows in no time. Now first I'm just going to clean my eyebrows just a little bit before I get started. Alright, first I'm going to start with the eyebrow pencil. This is something we've been doing for years. And this is a cheap way to do your eyebrows. You can purchase this. I do believe it's less than $8 at Walmart. And what I'm just doing is outlining my natural brow line, and then I just go in and fill it in. So what I like to do when I get towards the front, I just take the pencil and do strokes going up. Okay, now I'm going to go in with some concealer to just clean it up. If you have any mess ups, this will fix it. If you feel like one eyebrow is wider than the other, you can fix it with the concealer. Now we're just going to blend that out so it looks more natural. Okay, there you have it, quick and easy eyebrow pencil. On the left, I smoothed it out with the spoolie brush, and on the right, I kind of left it alone. So you can just pick and choose what look you like to go with. Right, so next up, we have the e.l.f. mascara brush. This is real easy. You're just going to brush this onto your eyebrows. I feel like if you are someone that doesn't really have eyebrows, this might not be the best one to go with. But if you do have some eyebrows and you just kind of want to tint it a little more, this will be a good option. And once again, it's a cheap option. Okay, this is my favorite one, the Anastasia Eyebrow Pomade. As you can see, that stuff is almost gone. I go through a bunch of these, but I like to go ahead and press it into the jar, and then I press it onto my top just to kind of flatten out the brush because I really want a precise line. Now I'm just going in and kind of outlining my brow. Once again, my natural brow. I just outline that, and then I go in and fill it in. Now this is a little more expensive. I think these cost about $28, maybe $30, but it lasts you a nice little bit. I will say make sure you get the right color for your brows. You don't want it too dark or too light because it's not going to look good. Now with this one, I'm going to clean the top of my brow too. I really want it to match up with the other brow. Alright, so here's the final look for the pomade. So I left my new favorite one for last. This is the e.l.f. Freeze Gel. I do believe it's called that. I bought this in a different brand before, but I actually really like the e.l.f. version. But it's like a freeze brow. It's clear, and you're basically just going to shape your brow the way you want it, and it will stay in place. Okay, y'all, trust the process. I promise. This has been my new go-to, and it is so quick and easy to do. And look at that, it really looks very natural, and you can't even tell that I did not shade it in. It was literally clear, and it just froze my brows in place. Thank you for watching this video. If you love it, please subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified of any upcoming videos.